Make sure your cream cheese is soft before you start adding your cream.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll be a nightmare to mix. Sugar in, and another pan on there, Sean. And start your caramel, yes? OK, be careful those plates don't get too hot. Biggins.
Yes, sir.
For me, let's take this really serious, yeah?
Yes.
You end on a high, yeah? And we don't look fucking stupid, yes?
OK, sir.
Thank you. Well done, Sean.
Change pace with mediocre at the other end.
Good.
With the topping.
Make sure those rings are full, yes?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you take off the cutters, they look shit. Neil, fill your ring up. Biggins.
Yes, sir.
You can see why I take this seriously. This is my career, yes?
I know.
Yeah,
I'm taking it very seriously.
Yeah, I
with my
want to fucking end on a
blowtorch.
high, yes?
Careful,
Please.
because I've got the weapon here. Just be careful.
Yeah, you be careful and concentrate.
I'm fucking concentrating. If you only leave me alone.
Concentrate harder. Right, berries on. OK, guys, nice and smart, yes? Simple dessert, simple presentation. We can't fuck this up.
Yes, chef.
Biggins, mint in and send.
Yeah.
Absolutely spotless. And send,
Right,
Josie,
these could go.
please.
No, we've got to clean the plate first.
Well, we can do this. Let's get all 50.
How long have you two been married?
Since 2006.
How long have you been together as a couple? How long?
14 years.
Only 14 years. What has he taken serious?
Nothing. He just can't take anything seriously.
Unreal. Sean, lovely. Absolutely spot on. Help over here, mint. And wipe the plates, please. Chris, good to see you're busy. Fuck
Well,
me.
too many cooks spoil the broth.
That's
chef.
right, yes. Meanwhile, Chris is busting his ass. Unfucking real. Go. Well done. Except Biggins.
Well done,
Right.
gang.
Cheesecake was fabulous. It was a really good combination of sort of crunchy biscuit base. The actual cheesecake bit was really nice and light and creamy with subtle sort of vanilla through it. And the fact that this fruit was still quite warm really made it superb.
Oh, dear. What happened?
The fruit compote was gorgeous.
Yes.
The actual cheesecake, it was almost like a poorly flavoured panna cotta. It didn't have that cheese taste to it.
Poorly flavoured panna cotta.
Taste it, go on. You must be with me on that.
Yeah, it needs more ice and sugar in there.
Yeah.
Yes, you're definitely not paying for it. Right, Jose, let's go. Results, please. Now, let's see how you did. The number of customers going to pay for dessert. 32 out of 50. 18 didn't pay. Tell me.
Own up.
Tell me.
Did you
Tell me.
like it?
There's a lot of them out there. Why? Josie, why?
Not sweet enough.
Not sweet enough.
Not sweet enough. That was the main...
Not sweet enough.
Yeah.
Cheesecake should be
sweet
sweet.
enough.
Did you keep on tasting it?
Yeah.
Before it went in the cutter?
Yeah, it's delicious.
That's a grand total of 89 out of 150. That is shit.
Yeah.
Neil.
Yeah, they won't be coming back.
Biggins.
Well-
Don't say anything. Just fuck off out of my kitchen. Get out!